In my Pygame videos like this simple snake game here, I often get asked how to add graphics or images to the game. And to be honest, it's easier than you might think. So this is what we are going to do right now. But first off, I created 4 images: an apple, the body, the tail, and the head, using Nana Banano from Google. And then I added them to the project root folder to keep it simple. To add these graphics to the game, we have to first load the images and second scale them so they will fit the game field size. I will do this at the start of the script, where I already find all my variables. Here, I first load the head into a head image variable using the Pygame image load function. And then I use the Pygame transform scale function for this image variable and scale it to 20 by 20 pixels because this was the original size of the head. And then I simply add the other 3 images the same way. So the next part we have to change is where we set up all game field elements. This is at the bottom, where I start with creating the screen. Here, I use the drawRect function to simply add the snake and the food to the field. We now will replace this with our loaded images. Let's start with an apple. We use the screen_blit function and load the apple image for the food. Then we enumerate over the snake and grab the index and the position. On the first index we want to add the head, so we use the screen_blit function again, but this time we load the head image. Here we add the position X and Y as well to ensure the image is loaded right. This -1 here is a typo and should be 1. Since the list only has 2 items until index 1, it still works even with this typo. So, now at the last position of the snake, we add the tail and all the other parts of the snake to the body image. For both parts, we use the same blit function logic. And that's it. So let's run this. And there we go. With just a few small changes in the code, we loaded these nice graphics to our snake and food. This looks already so much better than the initial game, and to be honest, I really like it. If you have any questions, or would like to see an additional improvement, like the rotation of the head matching the movement direction, let me know in the comments. And as always, be sure to leave a like if you found this helpful.